Coming up next on 92.7 FM, News with Sigma Ralpha, right after these messages.
You have 22 minutes before the solar system is...
We interrupt our programming at the request of the United Nations. All normal programming has been discontinued due to an ongoing global crisis. This is an emergency action notification requested by the United Nations to be activated on a global level using emergency alert system technologies. All television, cable, and radio operations across the globe shall broadcast this message. We will shortly deliver this message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency.
Please listen to this broadcast as it pertains to an extinction-level event. A few moments ago, a hijack had occurred and every single radio station in the world has been affected. It warns that exactly 22 minutes from now, the solar system will be destroyed, and sadly, the rumours are true. We don't know how the solar system will be destroyed, but scientists predict that it will be destroyed by a black hole. There is nothing we can do to stop this crisis. There is no reason to stay calm, go into panic mode. The only thing you can do is huddle up with your friends and family and just wait for the end. Pray to your God or goddess right now. Do it now. There is nothing we can do. We will now conclude the final broadcast with our national anthem. Goodbye everyone. We will all see each other in heaven, or maybe hell if you have been bad.
Twilight's last gleaming, blue cross